Welcome to photography class. I'm Miss Phillips. I'll be handing out your cameras and first assignment in a moment.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Let me have sugar. Because this is awesome! I like receiving presents. Is it secure? I think I'm getting emotionally scarred. Please let me go. That window's been broken 6 times this week. Figures in a dump like this.
Jimmy, you have a little bit of a rough edge, but I really think there's something special about you.
No problem. And that's that. I really need some help. Last summer, I made out with a horse. So not how I expected this place to be. Moron! I hurt my hand flushing that kid's head down the toilet. I don't want to see any trouble. Up yours. I always tried to be nice to you. I can't get in your ear. You deserve it. There's a truck for everything, but I can't mix happenings without one. Hello there. Listen, pal, help a poor desperate fella out.
Hey, Jimmy Hopkins.
Do I know you?
No, I'm Pinky, but I know all about you. Everybody's talking about you. Everybody says that you're mean and angry and you like fighting.
Huh.
Gary said you're so mad because you're sexually confused.
Yeah, well, Gary talks a lot of crap.
Oh, I know. I don't like him. He likes to torture people.
So what? He's not gonna torture me.
Well, I'm glad you're not sexually confused.
Really?
Yeah, I like you, Jimmy Hopkins.
Oh, yeah?
But I need you to do something for me.
What a surprise.
I'm last in line, and this movie means everything to me. I'm gonna get terrible seats. Can you please get rid of all these people for me? Please, Jimmy?
What's in it for me?
I'm a princess,
Oh.
and I need people to do things for me. So hurry up, because I want to be first.
Oh, man. All right. Really the best dressed at Bull Run. And we're the only family adult yacht without a boat. My daddy told me sick ape unit.
It's just not fair.
I don't see why something like this should happen.
Like I want a stinking friendship ring.
So,
People just
are you gonna
seem
get me
so
something nice?
Welcome to Yum Yum. Thank you for shopping at Yum Yum. I've been thinking about you.
Thanks, Jim. Seriously, thank you.
Hi.
Why would anyone do a thing like that? It doesn't make sense. Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I mean it. I'm sure this year will be much better
I
than
can
last.
use that.
I hope. I just want to play sports, that's all.
Great, Jimmy. If only you'd been born into my social circle.
Well, I do have a few uses, you know.
Oh, really? Well, you know, nice girls like nice flowers. Anyway, here's some money. It's the least I could do. And it's Daddy's anyways. The show's about to start, but come see me sometime. We can work through these class issues we have.
Oh, I'll work through your class issues all right, sweetie.
Yeah, sure.
All sorted.
Everyone remembers the Glory Boys. Never the grunts like me. Glad you're not me. You want to consider this, though. You know, I woke up at 6 a.m. just to read the help wanted.
Society shouldn't frown upon older women's enthusiasm.
I lock my car. Excuse me. I'm going to help when I'm
Great.
Good to see you haven't forgotten me. That'll do. You ready to train? This was my favorite combination back when I had a... That's what I like to see. You know, you're all right, kid. Come on in, come on. Forget you bring me a transistor when you come back.
That's it?
That new kid's been hassling the preps a lot. That's right.
Hello, can't help. I hope you have fun with your purchase.
Did you ever just want to flee the country, live on the island?
I have not had the chance to most regretfully.
Have you ever tried positive affirmation?
No.
So, this is how you treat a girl? Well, not me.
What are you talking about?
We had a date, and you are 3 minutes late.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we really didn't. But look, I remembered how much you like flowers.
Oh, damn. That wasn't you. That was Darby. Well, he's late. I cannot believe he's done this to me. Oh, and those are so beautiful. 3 minutes. What does he think I am? A tramp? Ugh. I hope something important happened. Like he's dead. Because otherwise, there's no excuse.
Did you say you're waiting for Darby?
Yes, I don't really like him, but he's my cousin and our family wants us to get married. You know, keep up the tradition.
Wait, marry your cousin?
You know, it used to be brother and sister until it was made illegal. My aunt has 4 thumbs.
Really?
Yeah, well, I'm not marrying him now. He's humiliated me.
So, what do you say you and I go out and leave Darby to another cousin?
Great. You know, I'll meet you at the carnival tonight. Jimmy, I'm really starting to like you.
Those greasers.
You know a Jack.
Terribly sorry.
I don't think I've been with a woman in 3 years.
One day he'll send the kids to that place.
Where is that crazy chick?
Hey, Jimmy. Glad to see you're on time, unlike some of my other dates. What are we waiting for? Let's go have some fun.
Hey, wait up!
You'll win me a teddy bear, won't you, Jimmy? I'm easily swayed by presents here. Let's play this game. I'll watch. I swear she's trying to look just like me.
You have what it takes, kid.
Three, and he's out.
I gotta tweak the settings or something. Glad that's done.
One day I want to.
Welcome, welcome. Now, good luck. You're gonna need it.
Three, and he's out.
Well, I guess you won then. All I need is... That's that nonsense dealt with.
You know, I've always been strangely attracted to the socially disadvantaged, Jimmy.
Don't mind me. Life's been hard. Oh no. How'd that happen?
Do it, Jimmy. I know.
Let's see how good your past life was.
That's how it's done.
You must have had a good horoscope today.
Let's go pick up the bear now.
Step on up, folks. This is best Did you hear? You can fit firecrackers inside of a race where they're made for days. Boy, you have a trust. Don't get hurt now. Hard. Take a chance, kid.
This was so exciting. I love when the carnival comes to town.
Hi there. Excellent choice, son. It ain't fraud. Just be...
Oh, cool! Thanks, Jimmy. It's so cute. Thanks for a great date, Jimmy. Oh, wow, Jimmy. You really know what you're doing.
I should teach lessons or something. Who needs an education? You're pathetic. Beatrice, what's wrong?
Two things. Firstly, my cold sores are totally acting up
What?
again.
Ew, gross.
Secondly, Mr. Hattrick saw me writing in my diary during class, and he took it and he locked it in his desk. And he says he's going to give it to the principal tomorrow. If anyone sees what's in there, I will just die. It's really personal.
Yeah, well, nothing like having the whole school know your deepest secrets. Makes your teenage years go by in a flash.
Yeah, well, you'll soon find out.
Me? Why?
In the diary, I talk a lot about you and me.
What? There is no you and me.
Yeah, there is. See, first you rescued my notes from Mandy, and then we fell in love, and you brought me flowers, and wrote me poetry, and showed this kinder, sensitive side that soon the whole world is gonna know about. We're like doomed lovers.
Enough. Okay, I'll get your book back.
Then we can kiss. The cold sores aren't contagious once they start to scab over.
If I can't be a physician, I guess I could be a lawyer, but that would be totally embarrassing.
I wish I could do something wild and exciting, like go to the big city with a boy.
I just don't understand the minds of troublemakers.
Cool.
What's that I saw moving about over there? Heck, what was that? Must have been a rat or something. Says I have a real temper. You'll see. I'll show him compassion all the way to the toilet bowl. Ha ha ha!
Dr. Livingston, I presume.
Oh, there you are. Did you get it?
Yes, I did. And I didn't read it. Much.
Much obliged. I hope it gets easier.
There was never any doubt.
Li is lithium, Na is sodium, K is potassium. Bye-bye! Cs is cesium, Fr is francium. These are alkali metals.
Save it for someone who cares.
I'm sure he was just kidding when he called me annoying.
What's a girl gotta do to get something from her man?